Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create seamless denim jeans design texture effect in Adobe Illustrator. Please watch entire tutorial. Use rectangle tool to draw a horizontal box shape. Outline color none. Use gradient panel to give gradient fill color. Add gradient shader colors with white color and black color alternatively in gradient panel. Control F9. Go to Effect menu and Sketch and Chrome. Detail 5 and Smoothness 9. Appearance Shift F6. Click on Add New Effect and Effect Gallery. Sketch and Note Paper. Image Balance 25 and Graininess 10 and Relief 11. Again, click on Add New Effect and Effect Gallery. Brush strokes and cross hatch. Stroke length 8. Sharpness 9 and strength 1. Draw a horizontal box shape. Fill color R41, G171, B226. Select shape and apply color blending mode in transparency panel. Ctrl Shift F10. Again draw a horizontal box shape. Select shapes and right click and make clipping mask. Ctrl 7. Finally, your jeans texture design texture background is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create denim texture effect background design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.